Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to INFINIX Hot 20i. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, click on Open. If you want to use Send Anywhere app, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now and then close it by selecting OK. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to it on INFINIX. Now to choose all of those files from all of those categories, tap on all of those dots and click on Send next to selected in order to transfer them. But you can also just tap on one file, for example, and tap on Send as well. If you see this kind of pop-up, you can click on Yes, I agree or No thanks, and then select Close this window. Now pick one of those connection ways. If you want to scan the QR code, select the scanning icon above User Guide, choose While using or only this time, and point your camera at the code. But you can always input this key over here instead and click on Receive. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!